Hi there. Are you seeing an error in Amibroker instead of the chart? In this video, we'll learn how to get the chart back. So, let's get started. First, click on the chart option. Then, double-click on Basic Charts. Next, double-click on Price. Click on OK. Charts will be starting to come. To delete this error section, right-click and click on Close. After that, open the file at the top left corner and click on Save All. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.